Hello my beautiful people, today we're gonna create 6 fun hairstyles that will take less than 5 minutes to do using only scrunchies. So we'll begin with our first hairstyle and we will select 2 sections like I'm showing and twist them away from your face. Then you want to grab a scrunchie, tie them both together and flip it, making a topsy tail. Then if you want you can pull a little bit to make your topsy tail fuller looking. And now we want to grab another 2 sections like I'm showing right below first ponytail like we did before. Bring them together like I'm showing and tie them both using a scrunchie, and then you want to flip it. Pull it a bit. And then again you want to grab another 2 sections, bring them both together, use a scrunchie, flip it, and you want to continue these steps until you have no more hair to tie like I'm showing. As you can see, this is such a colorful and unique hairstyle. I'll suggest you to use scrunchies that pretty much matches the style or the color like I did. So this way you'll have such an amazing autumn hairstyle. So colorful, right? And amazing looking too. Make sure to pull your topsy tail, so this way it will look fuller and beautiful looking. And yes, you're done with our topsy tail scrunchie ponytail. For our second hairstyle, we want to select our top section, divide it into 3 and begin a super simple 3-strand braid. Make sure to tie a scrunchie, pull it a bit if you want, and you have an amazing half-updo with a colorful touch. For the third hairstyle, oh, it's so colorful as well. Select our crown section and tie it using a scrunchie. Then you want to select another section right below first one and tie your second scrunchie as well. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. So this way we'll create this bubbly looking scrunchie braid, but I didn't want to make such a bubbly effect, so I left it as it is, easier and faster. When you have no more hair to add, you just want to tie your scrunchies to create this braid and you're done. For our fourth hairstyle, we just want to tie a very low ponytail using a scrunchie, and then you want to make a simple 3-strand braid, a very loose one, and tie a scrunchie as well at the end. For the next hairstyle, we want to grab all our hair into a very low kind of ponytail. Twist it around your fingers like I'm showing, and then wrap the ends around the base of the ponytail created. So I'll show you one more time so you can see better what I'm doing. And then you simply want to tie a scrunchie over the base. So you'll secure it like that and you'll make this quick amazing bun. Loosen it, of course. I'll add some clips to make my hairstyle fancier looking and colorful as well. And we're done. For the next hairstyle, we want to grab our top section, divide it into 3 and begin a Dutch braid. So basically you cross side strands under the middle one And then before crossing, you want to add more hair to the side strands before crossing under the middle one. Like that, so add hair to the side strands and cross them under the middle one. And then when you have no more hair to add, make sure to tie a scrunchie. Pull a little bit your created braided ponytail, of course, and the recipe done. So chic, right? I love this scrunchie trend. I hope that you do too. And if you do, please don't forget to like this video. Also guys, can you make sure to subscribe to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much. Mwah! Bye!